What's up, parents and teachers? This is Seth with SethPerler.com. I hope you are doing awesome. It is the end of the school year, and something that's been on my mind is this is a time when you're going to want to reward your students. And what often happens is that adults tend to reward the result or the outcome. And what I want to encourage you to do is really, you can reward the result and the outcome, but I really want you to be more process oriented. And I really want you to notice the effort of the student. And the reason I say that is because those are the things that got them the result. Okay. You want to verbally, you want to do it in writing, you want to celebrate, you want to really look these kids in the eye and really tell them, I noticed what you did. I noticed you did this with organization, you did this with your planner, that you did this with your effort. You tried really hard here. Excuse me, that's my phone. You tried really hard there. Like I am so proud of you for your effort, because the effort is what's going to get them the result. And you want to acknowledge that so that they can become more reflective on what got them that outcome or that result. The more aware, the more conscious, the more mindfulness that they have around what got them that, the more they will be able to consciously apply that in the future, and the more they'll be able to create and be resourced to create those results for themselves. So again, while you can reward the outcome and you can pay them for their grades or you can take them to dinner or stuff, whatever you do to celebrate, I'm not judging that, but figure out what really does feel like a celebration, but make sure you're very conscious of what you're celebrating, because what you celebrate, you're going to hopefully really encourage continued behavior with. Well, an outcome isn't a behavior. So you want to encourage the behavior that's going to help them launch a fantastic future, not a mediocre future, not an okay future. You want your child, or if you're a teacher, you want your students to have an incredible future, remarkable future. Well, what's going to get them that? Being able to execute, executive function, being able to do the things that they need to do, and being able to overcome the resistance to doing the things that they need to do. So in doing that, it's a process and it requires effort. So that's what you want to reward and focus on. Anyhow, it is almost summer break. I hope you are all wonderful and that you have a nice, relaxing, fun, joyous, and rejuvenating summer. All right, guys, take care. Oh, if you like what I'm doing, thumbs up it on YouTube, subscribe on YouTube. Go ahead and share it with somebody right this minute. I always appreciate that. So if this helped you, go ahead and share it with someone. Take care.